What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video, and if you guys watch my recent Buddy RC haul, that's the third one that I did, you notice that I actually got a new power plant for this aero. That is the SunnySky 2208 2600 kV. This is the X series motor from SunnySky. I soldered it up to my new 40 amp ZTW Beetles ESC, so I'm really excited to get this new power plant into my FT Mini Aero. And this is a huge upgrade even from the 2207S 2100 kV. So hopefully we're going to be able to use that higher kV rating and bigger motor in general to get more thrust and more higher speeds out of this plane. So I'm really excited to do that. In turn, we are going to be having to change the prop. I'm just going to go down to a 5-inch prop. This right here is currently a 6-inch prop, but we're going to stay conservative, at least for the beginning. I'm going to run this 5-inch high-speed 5152 from GemFan. I'm really excited to throw this on there, see how it goes, because the performance is kind of identical. This is a lot smoother of a prop. You can see that the wing kind of tapers off on these blades right here. And then if that doesn't work, if this is too much and my thermal issues are too great, I have a 5x4 from Diatone right here. But I really like this GemFan prop. It's a race quad prop. So we're gonna try it out. But first, let's go ahead and install this system. And I did do a similar video when I upgraded to this system right here. So it's gonna be a pretty standard video. I'm not gonna go into the details of how it's done. But we're gonna go ahead and start off by removing the old motor. I'm going to take my razor blade, cut off the firewall, and then replace the motor and ESC, and it'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I finished up the motor swap for the FT Mini Aero, and this is actually the second motor upgrade I've done of all time. I originally started out with the A2212 system that's currently hanging out on the Bloody Wonder over there. Then we went to the 2207S 2100 kV, and then finally we are here at the 2600 kV 2208 system from SunnySky. And this is almost 3 times the initial kV from the original setup, so I'm really excited to give this thing a test. As you can see, we did mount up that GemFan prop. I think we're going to start there. And this motor is a little bit different. It did come with an X-brace, which is really nice, but it also has a removable bolt-on prop adapter, so that's going to be good for durability's sake, as well as it does have just a typical nut rather than the bullet prop adapter, so I can use a torque wrench rather than just the Allen key or whatever I've been using to really get this thing down so this prop will be solid and won't come off when I'm flying. So yeah, I'm really happy with that, and I think this is going to be a great upgrade. Here it is on 3S 1300 milliamp hour. Let's go ahead and just give it a shot. Has quite the amount of power, and again, if I ever need some more power, we always have that 6-inch prop as well as a 4-cell battery. This does have, again, a 40 amp ESC in here, as well as it is bigger motor in general, so I think it can handle 4S, but let's go ahead and take it one step at a time here. I'm really excited to get this thing up in the air. Flight video will be coming soon, hopefully in the next day or so. It might be a little bit rainy tomorrow, so I'll see if I can sneak a flight in, but I'm really excited to try this thing out, and yeah, so stay tuned for that video coming soon. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or ideas of what I could do with this Mini Aero with this new motor setup, please go ahead and let me know. I'd really like your input, and yeah, please go ahead and like and subscribe to stay in tune with everything that's going on in the Custom RC Mods world, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.